ito? Ano bang...
Reunited with my love.
Wala yung pangalan niya kasi.
hindi na.
Tapos sabi ko na, ayan, pwede mo na yan i-donate para yung pangalan mo ilagay doon. Di ba? Yan lang naman ang problema.
Oo. Okay, so we're already checked in here in Ambassador in Paradise. So this is my second time here and it's so nice. Beachfront here in Station 1. So look at the room. Mag-room tour muna tayo. So of course, roommates ko, yung parents ko. Because I'm an only child this trip. Right?
Right.
So yan. Ito, may pool. Meron kaming balcony na may view ng pool. And then it's so spacious. And then look at the comfort room. It's so big. Ah, it's cute. Look at my OOTD. Ito, nabili ko lang sa bazaar from Bali. I forgot ko saan ko ito nabili. Ito from H&M. So yeah, I'm ready to go to the beach. Hi, Yana. You say hi.
No.
You say hi to my vlog.
Never.
Never? What do you want to say to my vlog? What can you say about Boracay?
It was fun.
You love the beach?
It was poo-poo.
Poo-poo?
Yeah, the water was salty on the beach.
Yeah. Why? You tasted it? You drank it?
I accidentally drank it.
Yana's room is so big. They have basement. Let's check. Wow! Wow, it's so big. Babe.
Okay guys, so right now she's downstairs in the basement.
And then we are gonna tap Tita Mimi's tummy.
What? May equals Alicia. Something like that. Say hi to your vlog. Hi guys, it's nap time for the kids.
Hey guys, so we just took a nap and now magpe-picture na kami kasi mga past 4 PM na. So hindi na ganun kainit and I will show you guys around kasi sobrang linis na ng Boracay. Look! It's so nice, so clean. Number 1 pa rin talaga sa akin yung Boracay. The fine powdery white sand, as in paradise na siya ulit. Grabe guys. Sobrang ganda. Look, it's Mark! So, we're done swimming. Nakapag-ayos na ako. Pero tinatamad na ako mag-makeup. We're just getting ready for dinner. So, as of now, nandun na yung mga kasama namin and they're still watching ka din ng ginto. Mommy, show me your outfit. Ay! Ikot! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday po! Yay! Someone's drunk! Drunk! guys, good morning.
No, it's not. No, it's after this.
It's morning.
Because we are Pokemon. I am Lunar, Mateus Sugano.
Oh.
He's the sun and I'm the moon. So we just play together when it's the afternoon.
Hi, Pio and Lucky. You show your ice cream. Is it yummy? Wow.
Watermelon ice cream and then fresh watermelon.
Go, Mommy! Allysiu! Allysiu! Naiman yung pa ako! Eh kasi naman mali-mali! What are we riding, Katie? What are we riding? Wow! Jeep in Boracay! Hey guys, we're on our way back to the airport. Nag-swim and breakfast kami kanina before we checked out. So yeah, hindi na ako naka-video kasi nakalimutan ko yung battery ng camera ko. So yeah, our trip was just so chill. Babad-babad lang sa sun, swimming, kain, yun na yun. Inom konti. Konti lang. For me, AirAsia has the best airplane food, like for local Filipino flights. Food lang ha, hindi naman yung like overall experience. Okay, so we're on our way home. Nasa plane na kami. And I just want to say thank you so much guys for watching this vlog. I hope to see you guys soon and I hope you enjoy. Bye!